guys, welcome to my channel. If in my last video we spoke about soft, delicious, fluffy vanilla perfumes that smell like dessert, today we're going in the opposite direction. We are going to talk about deep, dark, sensual vanillas, kind that are sexy and mysterious and a little dangerous. Think incense, tobacco, leather and spices, and all of which is wrapped around that delicious vanilla note. These are vanillas that you don't just wear to smell sweet. These are the ones that you wear when you want to smell unforgettable. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first fragrance is Vanilla Skin by Fleur. This is absolute goodness in a bottle. It is such a sexy vanilla, you guys. Even if it is a body mist, it is the sexiest body mist that I have ever smelled. It has some pink pepper at the top, so when you spray the fragrance, it starts off with that stingy, sharp pink pepper, and then it has some sugar. It is like a very sweet vanilla fragrance, but in the most sensual way possible. I think what gives it that warm, sexy facet is the cashmere wood in combination with the vanilla. The note of cashmere wood is something that I very prominently smell in this fragrance, and it just becomes this super captivating, enveloping vanilla fragrance which you just cannot resist. I have worn this scent all of winter last year. I just cannot spend any winters going forward without this perfume because it just makes me smell so unforgettable. It is not your sweet, fluffy, delicious vanilla. This is your man killer vanilla fragrance, if you know what I mean. It is definitely a feminine leaning fragrance, but I would call it unisex. Again, leans a little more feminine. Very femme fatale vibes, I must say. And if you haven't smelled this fragrance already, and if you love the note of cashmere wood and vanilla, I think you are going to absolutely enjoy this fragrance. All of winter last year, I have only used two fragrances. The first one is Vanilla Skin and the second one is Brie Charnel Extrait. Oh my god, that is another mind-blowing fragrance. It's just a topic for another time. But I have layered these two fragrances a lot. If you haven't tried this combination, then please go out and try it, because I don't know what it is, but the sandalwood base in that fragrance along with this vanilla, cashmere wood, and I think it also has sandalwood, it just makes this mind-blowing concoction of a fragrance, and I highly recommend you trying this out as a layering combination. It is definitely going to blow your mind. Just go out and try these two perfumes together. The next perfume is Baby Cat by YSL. This scent is vanilla supremacy in a bottle. It is just out of the world what they have made in this perfume. This is the best resinous, suede-y, incensey vanilla that you are ever going to smell in your entire life. It's quality in a bottle. This is one of the most refined perfumes ever. As I said, Baby Cat is this incense, suede, slightly leathery, sweet, resinous vanilla perfume, which is magic in a bottle. This perfume becomes the most irresistible, deep, rich vanilla scent on your skin when it warms up with your body chemistry. It is absolutely stunning. It lasts for 8+ hours easy on the skin and on the clothes. The projection is massive, at least in the beginning when you spray the fragrance on, and then it becomes a slightly intimate fragrance, but people will still be able to smell you, and you'll smell like the super rich, sophisticated, deep, dark smelling person ever. If you want luxury in a bottle, this is going to be your scent. It's just going to captivate the other person. If you wear this scent on a date, they are never going to forget you. They are never going to forget how you smell. Even after being such a unique and different smelling vanilla, this is a very likable scent. I am pretty sure that people who have tried this fragrance. Every single one has liked it. It just becomes this everlasting vanilla fragrance on your skin, which does not smell like your cupcakes or dessert. This is like sophistication in a bottle, which also makes you smell super sexy because there is like a leathery, suede acid to it, which makes the perfume very smooth, and you just cannot stop smelling the other person. If you wear this, I'm sure you won't be able to stop smelling yourself either. You're just going to create such a sexy impression on the other person. If you haven't tried this already, I think you should just go run and get your hands on this perfume, and I am sure if you try this fragrance, it is going to become your winter favorite perfume because it just performs so well during the cooler weather. It creates this warm enveloping bubble around you, which is very comforting but also very provocative at the same time. So I highly recommend you go and try this out. The next perfume is a super unique one, you guys. This is a recent discovery. This is Vanille Carbone by Atelier Materi, and wow, like this perfume is just wow in terms of uniqueness. This is like one of those offbeat vanilla perfumes, like indie types that you can smell, because this is green spicy vanilla, which is like very unique. This perfume starts off with a very sharp black pepper and pink pepper note, so it's a very sharp spicy opening, and then you can almost instantly smell the leather in it. It has some resinous notes from the frankincense, and then it is just pure vanilla. It almost smells a little clayey or clay-like to me, but like very subtly. It does not smell like Play-Doh. I think it just has that facet to it, or maybe that's what I smell at least. It's very slightly sweet but very green, fresh, spicy perfume. Very, very unique. If you are someone who's looking for a fresh, spicy vanilla fragrance, I think this is going to be the perfect perfume for you to try. And I believe this is a new launch as well. I'm not very sure about that, but I think this has come out very recently. It's just perfect, you guys. It is such a refined combination of all of these notes blended in so well together. I was very, very surprised by one thing: its performance. This is a beast. Like, I was not expecting that at all, but I sprayed this on a tester strip when I bought it. It was like around 2 sprays that I sprayed, and then I, smelled it and kept it there. The next day when I came and sat in the same spot where the strip was kept, trust me, I am not kidding, I could smell this perfume. It was crazy how much it was projecting. Even the next day, like the evening after, it was insane. This is a very unique and interesting vanilla fragrance, so I would highly recommend to try this out because it just smells like no other vanilla. The spiciness in this perfume makes it very irresistible. Like, you want to keep smelling the fragrance and the scent just to find out what else it has to offer, because it's quite mysterious. Even after being a green vanilla, it still has that sexy, rich character to it, and this is something that is going to just dazzle the other person because they're going to be completely blindsided by your fragrance. And because it is such a beast, I think it might be a bit overwhelming for you and for the other person as well. So be careful while spraying this perfume. A little goes a long way. This is extremely potent stuff, and it just evolves into this super warm, indulgent vanilla perfume which slightly smells like Play-Doh, very slightly, but don't let that put you off. Please give this perfume a try because this perfume smells like no other. So I highly recommend you go and try it out, especially if you want to smell green, fresh and spicy, but also like a warm vanilla fragrance. Perfect for night out, date night, anything that you want to do in the dark. This is going to be your fragrance. Nothing spooky or shady, but you know what I mean. The next perfume is Absolute Aphrodisiac by Initio. I had to include an Initio fragrance in this video. This brand stands for super sensual and sexy fragrances, and Absolute Aphrodisiac is like no other. This is such a cocooning, chocolatey vanilla fragrance which has a note of leather. If you will notice, the note of leather is in almost all of these fragrances, but I think that is what makes all of these perfumes so addictive and irresistible. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, or it's actually the note of leather or the combination of leather and vanilla together that does it. This is a sweet, soft, leathery vanilla perfume with some muskiness. It has some cashmere wood. It has some white florals. This has facets of chocolate. It almost smells like milk chocolate. That's what makes it smell so sexy. This is a very carnal, sexy vanilla, and you should use this perfume if you want to get someone in a chokehold. It is absolutely going to stun the other person when you wear this perfume, and you can just tell by the name. The name is Absolute Aphrodisiac, so you know it's not going to end there. Your date is going to move along very nicely. The projection on this perfume is not very loud. It's a very soft perfume. When you spray it initially, that's when it creates this huge bubble, but that settles very quickly and it becomes a more intimate perfume, at least on my skin. And the performance as well is about 6 hours on the skin, lasts a little longer on the clothes. Definitely a unisex perfume, does not lean feminine or masculine. This is just a pure unisex fragrance and the perfect perfume to wear for a date night. I have saved the best for the last. This is Vinny Havan by Les Anti-Madable. Please excuse my French. I know I have completely butchered it, but I've tried my best, so bear with me. I don't even have any words to describe this perfume. It is that spectacular. It is a dry, sexy, boozy, leathery vanilla, which is perfect. By the way, the USP of this perfume is that this is the perfect vanilla to wear during the hot summer night. It just, I don't know what magic it does. It just creates some wonders. This fragrance has a lot of tobacco, cacao. It has vanilla, of course. It has some dried fruits, some floral notes, and some booziness from the rum. It also has some slight sweetness from the amber. It is refined to the T. This is one of the driest, deepest, darkest perfumes, which is super sexy and unforgettable in the most unique way possible. Like, just imagine all of these notes together and imagine a juice that it creates. You can actually smell facets of these notes in the perfume as it evolves over time. This is a spectacular fragrance, you guys. There is no other word to describe it. It is just so sexy. And this is a unisex perfume, but I would say that this leans a little more masculine. I would like to wear this perfume myself, but what would grab my attention is when a man wears this perfume and I just get the whiffs of that dry cacao, tobacco, vanilla. Oh god, this is it is out of the world. So if this sounds like something that you want to smell like, I really think you should get your hands on it. And the bottle is gorgeous as well. The juice is so dark, it has literally stained the tester strip. So if you're wearing something white, I suggest that you be very careful with this fragrance because this has potential of staining your clothes. And if you're wearing this perfume for a date night, which I absolutely think you should, then just be wary of the number of sprays. I think 3 or 4 sprays max would do the job because this is a very long-lasting perfume as well and projects like a beast, creates a beautiful trail, ticks off all 3 boxes around performance. So just be careful when you wear this perfume because there are chances of you overwhelming the other person, especially if it is an intimate setting. If you are going out in a large group or outside in general, I think you can overspray a bit and go a little crazy, but not in an enclosed space. I think this can be a bit much for some people because it is very, very potent. I see this perfume performing beautifully and in the best way possible if and when you're going out on a date. It can be your first date, your second date, third date, 15th date, I don't care, but that if you're wearing this perfume on a hot summer night and the two of you are just going out on a walk in that weather, this is going to do stuff to the other person that you cannot even imagine. So if that is something that you want, I think you should absolutely get your hands on this perfume. So those were the top 5 vanilla perfumes in the deep, dark, mysterious, sensual category that I wanted to talk to you about. These are perfect for the nighttime date night setting. If you want to mesmerize someone, if you want to smell unforgettable to them, and if you want to convert that date into something very promising, I think these are going to be your top picks and you should get your hands on at least one of them. Let me know in the comments if you found any fragrance that resonated with you the most. If you have already tried the perfumes, let me know in the comments. Drop your experiences. I would love to read through them. I'll also add all the links to these perfumes in the description. So if you want to check that out, please do. Let me know some of your top picks for a date night fragrance when you want to smell like a very warm, captivating but sexy vanilla fragrance. Which is your pick? And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. I will see you next time. Until then, spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.